Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior. We have an espresso brown interior. We've got heated seats and power memory seats here on the driver's side. This vehicle is equipped with the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker set. It makes a really big difference as you're driving down the road. Driver's seat with lumbar support, sunroof. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 41,003. We have a push button ignition. And here's our touchscreen display loading up. Below that we have our climate controls here. You also notice the ambient LED lighting throughout the vehicle, fully customizable within the Mini system. Okay, so phone controls, navigation, radio, and backup camera. And this is a touchscreen, so of course you can control it using the display itself. You can also control it here with the steering wheel controls. And you have a third option here with your center console touchpad here as well. Below your climate controls, you have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, some USB connections, cup holders, that command module, which also has the option here to adjust between different sport modes. It'll affect your traction and handling and whatnot. And you also have some buttons here to access navigation or radio quickly. And the shifter. Alright, let's go ahead and hop out and show you the rest of the vehicle here. We have that Burmester speaker system. You can see that espresso brown leather seats. Quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back, we have our GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, lots of storage space, and of course you can always fold down those rear seats if you need a little extra storage. Push button to close. And if you're interested in getting additional information or even setting up a test drive of this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.